Brenda Rubio.
And I'm Eric Higgins.
And we're coming at you today from Lando Lakes, Florida. Welcome to Angeline,
a city in the making.
Powered by innovation, nature, and health, Angeline is a bold, groundbreaking, new 6,200-acre mixed-use master plan community that will completely transform Pasco County, Florida. The visionary team at Metro Development Group has partnered with award-winning home builders and an expert team of partners. One of Florida's most innovative, healthy, and sustainable places to call home. Pursue outdoor adventures and be part of the next generation of health and wellness campus.